Good morning, YouTube. We're back with another video. It's been a week or so since I've traded, maybe 2 weeks. I've been on like a vacation for the summer. I haven't looked at any charts. I haven't looked at anything in the past 3 days, 4 days maybe. So let's zoom out to just see what's going on. I see we're still heading up. Okay, I have notes here. So we're still going up. I was expecting a rejection at this level. I want to draw a flag above this because this is the highest point that I know of. Let's zoom out to like a 3 or a 5 minute, just so we can, okay, let's zoom out to a 15 minute. Okay, price is getting close to all-time highs. We're at 450. Sheesh. I remember when we were in the 380s. Yeah, we were down here. So let's draw out our structure real quick while I'm waiting on that. So this trend is bearish, if you can tell. Boom, 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 boom. And we're not gonna, we can't draw this until we pass this or something. So if we get above this, we'll take a call. See that liquidity right there that just created? Remember, even levels is liquidity. So let me fix my monitor. Right now we actually do not have a play, so we kind of have to wait for something to happen. So we're gonna be back. So I'll just be back when we get close to some kind of play or something is happening. Yeah, right now nothing is happening. I'll go ahead and draw some things out though for you. This right here, this was our initial change. So we can put a change of character right there. Then right here, we'll go out and draw a BOS. Then we can draw another one right here. And as of now, that's all we have. Don't really know we gotta wait on the play. Either we going up or we going down. So, yeah. We actually did come back for this liquidity area and we captured it. Let me just zoom out and show you the big picture first. So we grabbed that, captured it, that's gone. Okay, now if we break this, we're gonna take a call. Let me draw just what's going on right now. As you can see, we're reacting to this area, maybe right here. I feel like we're about to reject this now that I've looked at the other charts. Like it feels like we're gonna reject this and head downwards. And if that's the case, we can't take a put until we get below this. We could take one here, but it's a little risky. Like I could put in for this 3.510 put for 5.8 right now. And I think the break even would be well, the 10% profit would be like 6.4, 6.5. Alexa, 5.8 times 1.1. 6.4. Okay, that's not bad. So yeah, we've clearly rejected that level. Yeah, see VIX is coming to take a little breather. So it's coming up. So that's probably gonna head down. I didn't really take the play, but I took the play. I mean, I saw it and I hopped in. As of now, it's too late to hop in. It would just be chasing and, you know, because if I would have took it when I first saw it, like we at 6.1 right now. So we only need probably one more, a dollar or two drop and we'll be in profit. So yeah, we're in profit right now. It's at 6.4 literally right now. Since we're not taking a play, let's see if I can sort of show you guys what Thinkorswim looks like for the day, and we can just end with that. So Thinkorswim is a trading platform. It's by, I believe it's owned right now. It was owned by TD Ameritrade or TD Bank, but it was recently bought by Charles Schwab. So I believe the entire platform is changing either this summer or this fall. I'm not really sure, or it might stay the same, who knows, but the owner is changing to Charles Schwab. So all of the accounts, like I have multiple accounts with TD Thinkorswim, TD Bank, all of those accounts are now going to be over to Charles Schwab. Just to show you what we're kind of looking at, this is specs. This is the ticker. This is the price. Let's go over here. Just ignore a lot of the things on here. We just want to look at this big block of information. So on the left side, we have call options. On the right side, we have our put options. I simplify mine because too much data just isn't necessary. Right here in the middle, we have the strike. So like when I say a 4450 put, this is a 4450 put right here for 15 and 20. Or if I say a 4535 call, just come down to 4535, and this is our call. So these are your prices. That's the prices for puts, and this is the prices for the call options. If I was gonna get a call when price breaks that level we were looking at, I would look over here. I'd probably get a 4520 or 4515 call. So I would look over here. The ask is how much you buy the call option for. So I bought it for 5.1, and then I would sell at, Alexa, what's 5.1 times 1.1? Is it 565? It's 561. So I would sell that for 5.6, meaning the bid, which is on this side, when that reaches 5.6, then the option would sell. Same on the put side. If I bought it for, let's say I bought this for 12. On the ask side, this is 12. Let's do this one. This is easier. I bought this 4470 put for 30 cents. That's the ask. When the bid gets above 33%, I'm sorry, 0.33, then it will sell. They move in, well, this is Thinkorswim at least. The contracts move in 0.5s. What I want to say, 5 increments of 5 or $5 increments. So it wouldn't sell for 0.33, it would sell for 0.35. Volume, this is just how many people have bought or sold or traded the contracts. Delta, we'll talk about that later. Theta, we'll talk about that later. Here's the expiration of the contract. As you can see, it's the same day. I trade same day contracts on specs. So today is July 17th. And yeah, that's really about it when it comes to these. We don't have a definite play for today, so we won't take a move. It's simple as that. Yeah, it's as simple as that. So if you guys like this video, hit the like button, leave a comment, subscribe to the channel for more and more types of videos. And until next video, peace.